How to change appearance on your Signal app. So first tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on settings, which is right below filter under chats. After tapping on it, scroll down until you see an option called appearance, which is right below donate to Signal. Then simply tap on it. Here you'll see many options like language, theme, app icon and many more. For this video, I'd like to show you an example by changing the theme of my Signal app. So first I'll simply tap on the theme option, which is located right below language, and set it to light. And this is it. Like this, you can change the appearance of your Signal app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.